Hey guys, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn on or enable the level feature for your camera app on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. So what the level feature does is able to level your camera. So if you're taking a picture, you can see if the frame is level. So in order to do that, all you're going to do is go into your setting of your iPhone and then scroll down to the camera settings. So if you go over here to camera, you'll see there under composition, there's an option now for level. So if you turn that on, because it's turned off by default, we can go into our camera here and you can see there's a line for leveling. So if I want to level something, you can see here when I use it, it will tell me if it's level. If it's not, as you can see here, this icon is telling me what level it is, so I can use that. So when it turns on like that, it's level, and then if it's not, it will let me know if this picture isn't leveled here. You can take a picture and that line will not show up when you do actually take the picture. It is just a guidance for you to kind of see if something on a frame is leveled or not. Again, a good feature to have if you want to take your photography skill to the next level, and something that you might want to consider enabling or turning on. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.